Hi, this is Blessed Hirat and welcome to my channel. One of the things most mothers wish for is glowing skin for their babies. Try and stop using chemicals on your babies and know what's inside your baby's cream. And are you wondering on how to make your baby's skin to glow? Then watch this video to the end, which will help you bless your baby with glowing skin. This recipe helps your baby's skin to glow, treat rashes, nourish and refresh your baby's skin. And my first ingredient for this recipe is shea butter. As we all know, shea butter is the best moisturizer ever. Shea butter contains plant antioxidants such as vitamins A and E, and they help protect the skin cells from radicals and environmental damage. It also treats skin rashes and also protect the skin from UV radiation. And I'll add it to my bowl. I have my mango butter, and so far one of the best butters out there. This butter has a lot to offer when it comes to skincare and natural beauty. It has a soft creamy texture, yep, like this. That is easy to use and absorbs beautifully into the skin. So this is how the mango butter looks like, and I will add it. This butter also helps in treating dry skins. So as you saw earlier, I added the shea butter and the mango butter, and I'm going to double boil it for it to melt well before I add in the other ingredients. So stay with me and let me melt it and come right now. And now my shea butter and my mango butter are well melted. I'm going to transfer it into a different mixing bowl. And I'll go with neem oil first. This is my neem oil, and it contains vitamin E and also rich in healthy fatty acids, which is great for healing dry skin. It also locks moisture to smooth out the skin texture and is very good on the skin. Try this and I bet you're gonna love your baby's skin. So I will add just 1 tablespoon to my melted butters. And this is my almighty carrot oil. This carrot oil can be mixed with other oils to get a glowing oil, and I will upload that video very soon. And that's why I'm adding it to the kids glowing butter for that glowing and healthy skin. And carrot oil's antioxidant properties help boost skin's defense mechanisms, leaving it soft and comfortable. It also helps the skin's natural healing process by assisting in the formation of scar tissue. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the carrot oil. 2 tablespoons of the carrot oil. And this is my turmeric oil, and you all know the benefits of turmeric oil for the skin. And turmeric oil bring out your natural glow, heal wounds and brighten the skin. I don't want this video to be long, so I can't mention all. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the turmeric oil, and you can make this turmeric oil yourself. The video will be uploaded very soon on my channel, so do well and subscribe to my channel so you get the chance to watch it. I have my lavender oil, which is a favorite essential oil for many people. This has a relaxing effect on the body of babies, which is supposed to help them sleep better. It helps address a variety of skin concerns speeds healing. And please keep in mind that essential oils shouldn't be used on babies under 3 months. Please take note. Next, I have saffron oil. This oil is rich in nutrients like calcium, magnesium, vitamin A and C, and it also promotes radiant and smooth skin, helps your skin lighten naturally, exfoliates your skin and improves blood circulation and makes your skin smooth and glowing. And I'll add just half a tablespoon of the saffron oil. I have my coconut oil, and this oil has lots of benefits for the skin, including reducing inflammation, keeping skin moisturized and healing wounds. This oil contains nourishing fatty acids that help hydrate and protect skin. It also helps improve skin elasticity and collagen production. And coconut oil is very good in every formulation you are making. Make sure you add coconut oil. And I will add 4 tablespoons of the coconut oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please don't say these oils are too much for your baby. It's for your own good and for your baby to glow very well. And I'm sure you'll be proud of your baby's skin. So please don't complain of the oils I'm adding. But in case you don't have all at hand, use what you have and you are going to surely get a glowing skin too. I have grapeseed oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids, encourages the regeneration of skin cells, which ultimately keeps the skin youthful, and it also serves as a natural moisturizer for the skin. As you can see, I have a little quantity left, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the grapeseed oil. I have Arrowroot powder here, and please don't mind my nylon wrapper because my activated charcoal did justice to it. This Arrowroot powder is extremely good for the skin and can be used as a thickening agent to get that fluffy like butter. It enables active ingredients to penetrate the skin surface easily. Not only you are going to enjoy the fluffiness, but you will enjoy the benefits as well. And I'm adding half a tablespoon of the arrowroot to my oils. Now I'm done with the ingredients and I'm going to mix it very well.
Mix it very well.
Make sure the powder is well incorporated. I think I'm okay with it this way. So I'll transfer it to this bowl and refrigerate it for 10 minutes, and I will continue. So please watch to the end and let your baby thank you someday. And this is the outcome. You all see how yummy and fluffy this butter looks. Let me use a different spatula so you can see it very well. Just see the texture of this butter. Oh, and this butter might last you for 3 to 4 months or 5 months, because a little goes a long way when it comes to this recipe. You can use it daily, but babies don't really need body butter every day, so maybe using it 2 to 3 days, it's cool. And you can as well use it on yourself, or if you have an older kid, you can use it on the person too. Easy to melt. Just see how it melts. Let me add a little bit for you to see it well. Just see it's melting because of the heat in my palm, and I'll just rub it like this. Can you all see how my skin is shining and glowing? Yeah, and that's how your baby is going to glow. See my other hand without the butter, and see the one with the butter. Can you spot the difference? That's how your baby is going to glow. And if you have a friend that is expecting a baby, please don't be selfish. Make this for them, and I promise they will love it and use it a lot. And I bet you they will run back to you for more of this. After everything, get an airtight container like this, similar to this or a different type, and transfer your butter in it. This don't really need any preservative. I'll transfer everything to my container. Just see how rich this butter looks. With this, your baby will glow naturally, and people will keep asking you what you use for your baby. And don't be selfish, just show them so that they will also benefit from this yummy butter. I have come to an end to this tutorials, and I really hope you like this video. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your loved ones, and please don't forget to check some amazing videos on my channel. See you next in my video. Bye.